Okay, get into the mathematics very fast. Okay, how the force due to surface tension should act. There's a very really troublesome topic for students. No diagrams. Every question you have to imagine diagram. Really, it's good for students. Huh? Actually, you develop your imagination skills a lot in this one. Okay, no, I think this is what somehow I drew the diagram. No, tell me like how the force due to surface tension should act here. At least I'm able to show that arrow only because the plane diagram, no? If you go for some, if you go for some, it's a long wire, huh? Thin wire of weight per unit length. How the force everywhere will be acting in this direction. Not vertical, it will make some angle. Here also it will make some angle. It is like this. Huh? Able to imagine? So like this, what happened along the length, what happened? The force will making angle. So let this angle be theta. Fine. This is y, this is a, this is a. So anything can be right here tan theta, and who will balance the weight? The force due to surface tension. Let's go for force due to surface tension. How to calculate this? Thin wire, what do you mean by thin wire? The diameter of that is almost negligible. Okay, let me take the diameter d. Length is L. What is this? Some wire that I'm showing. If you cut a cylinder, if you cut a cylinder, there's a real problem with your high school geometry. If you're any younger sister, brother who are there, ask them to draw the diagrams. 3D diagrams, ask them to learn, make observation. It's really good. It will help them a lot when they come to the intermediate or engineering one. Hmm? Okay, now let's see that. So shall we take this is D, this is L. No. What is force due to surface tension? Surface tension into, shall we write 2L plus 2D sine theta. Anybody, any objections? Why 2L? Because here the only half part of the wire I'm showing it. I think it's cylinder, no, half of the cylinder. I just cut it to show the forces here. Okay, here this will be L and L. With that one, why 2D that one? Here, how the force due to surface tension? Here it should act vertically. Anyway, that will be negligible. No, you need not to bother that. L will be, D will be as it is. D will be very much less than L. It's a long wire, no? D will be very much less than L. So you can take it out that quantity, or else some of you are objecting this. I'll make some changes. Huh? This will be sine theta. Okay, fine. Now, so D will be very much less than L. This quantity will be as it is a thin wire. This quantity will be negligible. No. So this will become 2STL sine theta. This is the net force due to surface tension. After this, theta we don't know. Theta we don't know. So what is sine theta? Sine theta I can write as y by root of y square plus a square. Then let's come that one. Who will balance the weight? No. So for equilibrium, force due to surface tension should balance the weight of the wire. So this, no. What shall I write? Total weight, no, is what he has given. A thin weight per unit length is how much? K. So K into L into G. The L get cancelled, so we'll get expression for surface tension. That will be Kg. Further, Y is telling very much. So as Y very much less than L, so this everything will become Kga by 2Y.